Good morning, class 4th. Today we have started a new chapter, that is a chapter number 7. Food are basic needs. Food, you know that food contains the nutrients, and nutrients are the substances needed by our body to grow, remain healthy, and also to fight disease. Food eaten by us is used by our body for the following purpose. First one is to give us energy to do work. Second, to protect us from disease. Third, to build and repair the parts of our body that have been damaged. And the fourth one is the damaged for growth. Fourth one is the for growth. You know that nutrients in our food. In order to meet the demands of a body, we need to eat food items that contains different nutrients. That are 5 different nutrients that are needed by our body. Each one has different functions. First one is the carbohydrate. Second, proteins, fats, vitamins, and the minerals. Again, I have repeated, these are nutrients which is found in different types of the food. That one is the first, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and the minerals. First we have start with the carbohydrate. Our body which needs energy to work, play, and do other activities. Carbohydrates are energy giving nutrients. Again, I have repeated, our body needs energy to work, play, and do other activities. Carbohydrates are energy giving nutrients. Starch and sugar are the 2 types of the carbohydrates consumed by us. Example of food items rich in starch are potato, rice, wheat, and the corn. And the fruits such as banana, grapes, pineapples, oranges, peaches, and mangoes are the rich source of the sugar. And people who are involved in lots of physical labor, such as a sportsman, needs more carbohydrate to fulfill their energy needs. And the second one is the proteins. Proteins help us to build and maintain and prepare the tissues in your body. They are also known as bodybuilding foods. In children's, the growth of cells is more compared to the adults, and therefore growing children should consume more protein than the adults. Some good sources of proteins are meat, fish, egg, milk, curd, cheese, and other milk products, nuts, and the pulses. And third one is the fat. Fourth one is the vitamins and the minerals. And the next one is the fibers, waters, and these are the essential nutrition which we need to grow for our body. And today I have band session here, and today is your question about that portion is, why do we need foods? Again, I have repeated the question, why do we need foods? Thank you, class, and we have meet in your next video.